Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IFRX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but then you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on this one, so a lot of eyeballs on it. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above $3.35. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $3.35, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above there, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, that's what that represents. Again, yeah, staying above 335, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, let's talk about a couple of these. And the first key level, pretty straightforward, and it's just a matter of where the party stopped today. So let's change this to red for resistance. And as far as where the party stopped today, you can see that was essentially right up here around 347. I get it, the price did go a little bit higher than that, but there's also some instances where the price didn't quite go up that high. So I'm just splitting the difference, and we'll call it 347. So that'll be that initial level of resistance. After that, the next key level of resistance is going to be up there at that area, which sits around $3 and is that about 50? Oh, that makes it easy. So 347 and then 357. So 10 cents apart, those next couple areas of resistance. So keep an eye on those. But really, resistance levels don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, what matters is what the price has already begun to do, and that is this right here. Just build those higher bases. As long as those higher bases are built, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, then everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on the healthy stair steps and the higher lows, and just sit back and let the trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.